Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the frustrating E2 error code on your Black & Decker washing machine in 2025, you're in the right place. This error often signals issues like a door that's not closing properly, a clogged drain, or even a simple reset need. Don't worry. I'll guide you through fixing it step by step, so you can get your laundry routine back on track quickly and safely. First things first, always prioritize safety. Unplug your washing machine from the power source before starting any troubleshooting to avoid electrical hazards. Once that's done, let's dive in. Step 1. Check the door and latch. Make sure the door is fully closed and the latch is engaging properly. Sometimes, lint or debris can get in the way, so give it a thorough clean with a soft cloth. If it feels loose, you might need to tighten the latch screws. Grab a screwdriver and secure them gently. Next, up is step 2. Inspect the drain hose. The E2 error could mean there's a blockage preventing water from draining. Locate the hose at the back of the machine, disconnect it carefully, and check for any clogs or kinks. Flush it out with water if needed, and ensure it's not bent or obstructed. Step 3. Clean the filter. Most Black & Decker models have a filter at the bottom front. Unscrew the cover, remove the filter, and rinse it under running water to clear out any lint, coins, or debris. This is a common culprit for the E2 code, so don't skip it. If that doesn't resolve the issue, move to step 4. Reset the machine. Plug it back in, press and hold the start button for about 10 seconds, or unplug it for a full minute before restarting. This can clear temporary glitches. Finally, if none of these steps work, it might be time to call a professional technician. There could be underlying electrical or mechanical problems that need expert attention. There you have it. Simple fixes for the E2 error on your Black & Decker washing machine. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.